Okay, let's have a go at keeping score. What I want to happen is I want to keep track of the number of questions I've answered and the number of times I've got it right. Okay, so keeping score. This is a state value. So your score so far is a state value. And there are a number of ways of doing that. But if it's a simple thing, then we can keep state just in the HTML. So I can put an HTML node in here, and that'll be where I keep the score. And that'll be the only place that I keep the score. We're going to do it purely in jQuery. So I'll edit my quiz. Actually, no, I won't. First of all, I'll edit my HTML. So vi templates and quiz HTML. Let's put in a your score is. So I'm going to create a div, just an HTML div. I'm not going to bother with an ID for this one. Say your score is, and this is where I'm going to put my ID. So I'll have a span, and the ID will be score. Better put it in quotes just in case. And 0. That's what it starts out at. Okay. No, not score. That's a span. Your score is that of, no, of, and then span, and this will have an ID equals, and this will be the question count. Okay, so I'm going to keep track of two variables, number of questions answered so far, and the number of questions that you got right. Sorry, that should be a span. And then close the div. Okay, so this is the number right, and this is the number of questions answered. And every time I answer a question, then I'm going to update this and update this. Oops. Okay, so save that and reload. And it says your score is 0 of 0. And what I want to do is have the quiz update that. Okay, so where's the point at which I got it right? That's key up. And here's the you got it right. So this is the well done message. So after, doesn't matter if I do it before or after, to be honest. Okay, so let's get the score and we'll add one to it. So I can say var score equals. Okay, my score is, so that is $, hash score. I just put that in place and I'll get the text of that. So that's score. Now I'm going to add one to it. So I can say score equals score plus 1. And then I'm going to put that back in the same place that I picked it up. And if this works, I'll do the same thing with the counter questions. So to put it back in the value, we overload it. So you can use text in two ways. Text with no parameters picks out the value. And if I put a parameter in, score, that should set the score. So I read the score, I add 1, and then I write the score back again. Okay, I hope I get a nice easy question like China again. Reload. Suriname, okay. So Suriname. And I kind of updated the score, but not exactly the way I wanted it. This is Finland, I think. Finland. Now my score is 11, or 0011. Let's try another one. What's this one? Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. That's not how you spell Guinea. Let's cheat. Guinea. Yep. So it needs another A. Okay, can you see what's happening here? It's adding 1, but it's adding 1 to the end. it's treating the score as a number. What I need to do is to turn this score into an integer, and the way you do that in JavaScript, not jQuery, is parseInt. Whoops, I've got too many open brackets there. ParseInt, no, what did I do? ParseInt dollar. Okay, and here, close the bracket. That should turn an integer into an integer. Let's reload. Okay, Singapore. Singapore. That says my score is 2. Don't know how that happened. Okay, what country is this? What? It's going crazy. This is Chile. Went up to 3. I don't know if that was a blip. Let me reload. That should set the score back to 0. So I'll type in Poland. Score went up to 1. And I get a new country. Okay. East Timor. No. What's wrong with East Timor? I need to know what the, let's see, how do I cheat? That's the capital. Timor-Leste, wow. Okay, so it should have been Timor. Leste, and it went up to 2. Okay. Is that Poland again? Nope. Indonesia. Wow, that looks very like Poland. Indonesia. Yeah, well done. And the score went up, I think. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, so that score's good. I want this thing to increase in the same kind of way. So that's score, parse, score plus 1, put the score back again. I want the same thing to happen to, was it Q count? But I'm going to do it all in one go. So dollar hash question count dot text is 1 plus parseInt of dollar Q count text. So let's close the parseInt. That closes that. That should increase the nope. That should increase the question count as well as the correct answer count. Let's try that. Reload. Okay, that is Taiwan, I think. That's not how you spell Taiwan. Taiwan. How do you spell Taiwan? Random country. Capital is Taipei. Taiwan. I got the I and the A the wrong way around. Taiwan. Well done. And this country, I'm pretending I know these. I'm cheating like crazy. Sierra Leone. Nope. Let's just cheat. Sierra Leone. Have I spelt it wrong? Sierra Leone. Not lion, it's French. Leone. Yes. Okay. I'm needing to do a lot of cheating here. What happened to Bolivia there? Bolivia just came and went. I think I've got a weird bug here. What could it be? Tajikistan, let's reload. Okay, so that's Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, well up. It went up to 2 again. Don't know what's going on. It definitely went up to 2 and then it skipped a country. Okay, there's things happening that I don't understand. Okay, I can't immediately see what's wrong. Let's add some functionality. I think I would like a give up button and maybe a hint button as well. Perhaps we'll start with a give up button. So if the user clicks on the give up button, then they get a new question and their score doesn't go up by 1, but this question count will go up by 1. And I could do that by putting another button in here. So I've appended input there, and let's put in a give up button. Okay, so in this append sequence here, or this answer here, that shouldn't be indented. So I'm going to append another thing, dot append, and this will be a give up button. So the text of that will be give up. Okay, and the click property of that will be a function, and if the user clicks on the give up, then what we'll do is very similar to what happens if you get it right. The score won't go up, question count will go up, so I'm going to copy that line and put it in place. And let's show the, well, that's well done. So let's do something similar, but instead of well done, it'll be the give up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so instead of well done, it will be give up. We'll fade in, we'll delay, and we'll show the next question. Okay, not only that, but inside give up, I'm going to tell them what the answer is, but let's just see the give up first on its own. So VI template quiz, that was well done, and give up looks similar. So this is change word give up, and instead of saying well done, we want some kind of insult. You skipped this one. Now, let's tell them what the answer was. The answer was, and we'll put in here a span, and the ID is, this is give up answer. Okay, and we'll need jQuery to fill that one in. GU answer. So GU answer is what I want to put in place. Let's go back to static quiz. So before we show the message, let's tell them what the right answer was. So I'm going to say $hash give up answer dot text. Okay, what's the correct answer? It's the thing that I was waiting for, the thing that I tested here. It is d.name. Is that still in scope? Yes, here's D. So d.name, that should be in scope. I should be able to just put that in. So d.name tells you what the right answer is. Okay, and before I leave this, I want to go to my CSS and I want to give the same prominence of well done. I want to give that to hash give up answer as well. Let's write that out and see how that plays. Reload. Oh, didn't like that. Syntax unexpected error 28. Okay, all right, so what's happened is I'm chaining my appends together and I shouldn't have a semicolon here. Okay, so the appends just get added on. So question gets all of these things added onto it, including that one there. And I put a semicolon at the end of the last one, not that one. Fade in. That's the last one. Put a semicolon at the end of that one. Okay, reload. Okay, easy one to spell, please. Jamaica. Jamaica. Well done. Okay, this one here is Peru, but I'm going to, that should be give up. Let's give. It says the answer was Peru. Okay. That's Serbia again. Serbia's got a flag missing. Okay, a couple of things wrong there. So it should say, that button should say give up. Where's the button? That's not give, that is give up. Okay. And also here, it's not GU answer, it is, what did I call that thing? So I'm showing, it's hash give up. So let's change what that is, give up. That's the thing that should be prominent. Reload. Okay, Bolivia. Bolivia. Score goes up. The question count didn't go up, I noticed there. This is Nigeria. Okay, went up. Let's try giving up one. So this one is St. Kitts, give up. And it tells me the answer was, well, I couldn't see it. Is that Turkey? Turkey, well done. And I'll give up the next one. That's Georgia, but I will give up. The answer was Georgia. Okay, it's not updating this thing here. Inspect. That is Q count. I know what it is. I've been doing Q count with a big C. That should be a lowercase c. And this should be a lowercase c. That should be updating. Oh, I've got another one here. That one there. And this one here. Okay, let's try again. Reload. Is that Norway or Iceland? Let's try Iceland. Nope. Norway. Okay, score went up by 1. Goodness, don't know that one. Click on give up. And that went up by 2. The answer was Nepal. Okay, I think that's Portugal. Am I wrong? Let's cheat. That's Andorra. What? Andorra. Okay. Let's give up. That's Bhutan, but I'm going to give up. Score goes up to, oh, Cambodia. All right. Syria. I'm trying to watch if the score goes up properly. That's Gambia, but I'm going to give up. So that should go up to 6, and that should stay at 3. Yes, Gambia. That country there, that's Mauritania. Yeah, score went up. That's Bosnia and Herzegovina. Can't spell that one, so it should go up to 4 out of 8. Bosnia and Herzegovina. And this is Guyana. So I'm looking for the score to go up to 5 out of 9. Guyana. 5 out of 9. Looks like it's working. Okay. Alright, so we're keeping score. Git commit -m keeping score -a and git push. Splendid.